Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I guess it's a different time. Right now it is Friday evening for me and it's 11:32 p.m. and I'm just doing a recording to show you how for today's lessons for Saturday we're looking at how to do presentational materials. So presentational materials would be things like images and pages, URLs, things that you present information to your users. And I just want to show you, you don't have to be a Moodle expert to do this. It's very easy in Moodle. As long as you have editing turned on, which I do, you can see by my edit here, and also at the top up here, editing turned on. But I just wanted to show how a teacher can do this very, very quickly. So for instance, I've just exposed, this is what we're going to do today, labels, page, URL, folder, book, backing up and restoring a course. Actually, I might leave these for a later day and just concentrate on the presentational materials today. But just very quickly, I wanted to show you that I'm just going to, as a teacher, if I've got editing turned on, there's a number of ways I can really quickly develop a course without being really fussy. For instance, I've got an image here, a blue border. It's just a line, and I can just drag that onto the course page, and I want to add an image to a course page. This is upload it. And now I have this separator between this information here and more information that I'm going to add. And this is just an image. I've done the same thing with this. You can edit this, and you can edit the settings if you wanted to work on editing it. And what I want to do is just perhaps make this centered on the screen. Save and return to the course. And that image is right there in the course. Now, my first topic is labels, and I had a nice little YouTube on labels. Let me see if I can find that. Here it is. So I'm going to grab that URL, and I'm going to pull it down, and so what do you want to call this link? And I want to call this YouTube. Actually, I'll just call it for what it is. Demonstrating Moodle labels. It says upload, but basically it just means to display it on the course page. And there we have. And if I clicked on this, let's just see how it works, because I haven't set any settings yet. It looks like it's going to replace my course page. One rule of thumb I use for external links, if you want to add an external link for your students. In this video, let me just there we are. Whoop. Went a little too far. Is if it's an whoop. If it's an external link, you don't want it to take them, navigate them away from the course page. I always prefer to have external links open up in a new tab or window. So that's what I'll do right now. Edit settings. And we want this to open up in a new tab or window. Appearance. We can have it automatic, embedded right in the course page, or to pop up. If we're going to stay on our course page, let's embed it. And that will make a nice little page with the YouTube there. So let's save and display that. Brilliant. And that's on our course page, and students could watch that here. I'll stop that. And I want to go back to the Master Your Moodle. So great. There I have some information about a little video on labels, and now I want something from Moodle Docs in here. I shouldn't be showing you how easy this is, because you're not going to be impressed with my course when you just see how easy I can do this. And I just pull that, and this is for labels, and this is Moodle Docs labels. And I'll upload that. Let's see what that looks like. And I'm up at 4 minutes already. I don't want to go too long. But now I've got a movie and I've got documentation. And I could add another label um, in a pop-up with some text, for instance. So if I had a text box telling the students what to do, I could just add that as a label as well. And I'm going to do that to close this because I'm up to 5 minutes. I don't like to go too long. You don't want to listen to a talking head for long. Here's a README file. Just use that as an example. And I could just pop that in there. Now if I click on this, it's going to replace my window with that text. So let's just edit the settings. And we'll put it in a pop-up. Appearance. Automatic is the default. We don't want that. We want this in a pop-up. Save and return to course. There's other settings you can put there. But we're just doing the quick and easy right now. So let's click on this, see what it looks like. And there it's a pop-up. So that could be instructions for the students, telling them what to do and how to use these resources. Very quick way to create a course. You should experiment with that in your sandbox. I'm going to edit here. I'm up to 6 minutes. My goodness.